Imagine this: a handshake in Tokyo closes $1 million deal, a product launch in London captivates a continent. Behind these triumphs, the international sales manager. They are the architects of global commerce, the conductors of a symphony of products, services, and strategies reaching every corner of the world. Intrigued? Let's embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of this exciting and impactful role. This essay is your roadmap, guiding you through the intricate journey of becoming a global sales manager. First, we'll define the role in detail, understanding the core responsibilities and expectations. We'll explore the multifaceted responsibilities that come with managing sales on a global scale, from data analysis to strategic planning. Next, we'll uncover the essential skills and experience needed to excel in this demanding role, highlighting key leadership qualities. We'll delve into the dynamic context of this position, examining how to effectively collaborate with diverse international teams. Understanding the teams, tools, and environments involved is crucial. We'll look at the specialized tools that optimize global sales strategies. Of course, no journey is without its challenges. We'll discuss common obstacles and how to overcome them. Navigating these challenges requires problem solving skills and resilience, which we'll explore in depth. Finally, we'll uncover the rewards, from competitive salary and prestigious status to the immense satisfaction of succeeding on a global stage. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's dive in and explore every facet together. The international sales manager is a global business conductor. They orchestrate the movement of products or services across international borders. Their stage is the world, their audience, a diverse tapestry of cultures, markets, and customers. Their mission: to build relationships, drive revenue, and expand their company's footprint in the global marketplace. It's a role demanding adaptability, cultural intelligence, and a passion for global business. Section 4: Mastering the Art of the Deal, Responsibilities and Skills. So, what does an international sales manager actually do? Let's dive deeper into their multifaceted role. Well, their responsibilities are as diverse as the markets they serve. They must be adaptable and ready to tackle various challenges. They identify and secure new business opportunities in foreign markets. This involves extensive market research and understanding local consumer behavior. They develop and implement sales strategies tailored to each region. Each market has its own unique demands and preferences. They negotiate contracts, build relationships with international partners, and ensure that all agreements are mutually beneficial. They also manage a team of sales professionals spread across the globe. This requires excellent leadership and coordination skills. This requires a unique skill set. Being able to communicate effectively across different cultures is crucial. Fluency in multiple languages is a major asset. It helps in breaking down communication barriers and building trust. Strong communication and negotiation skills are paramount. These skills help in closing deals and resolving conflicts. A deep understanding of international business practices and cultural nuances is essential. This knowledge helps in navigating the complexities of global markets and ensures successful business operations. Section 5: Beyond Borders, Challenges, Rewards, and Growth. The life of an international sales manager is rarely dull. Every day brings new experiences and opportunities to learn. They thrive in a fast paced, ever changing environment. They navigate cultural differences, overcome language barriers, and build bridges between diverse markets. Adapting to diverse business practices is crucial. They must understand local customs and business etiquette to succeed. They face the challenges of remote team management, ensuring that everyone is on the same page despite being miles apart. The complexities of international logistics require meticulous planning and coordination. They must ensure timely delivery and manage supply chain disruptions. But the rewards are significant. Achieving sales targets and receiving recognition boosts their morale and drives them to excel further. They enjoy high earning potential, travel opportunities, and the chance to experience the different cultures firsthand. The satisfaction of driving global growth and expanding into new markets is unparalleled. They play a pivotal role in their company's success. This role is a springboard for career advancement, offering numerous opportunities for personal and professional growth. Leading to senior management positions, they influence global strategies and make impactful decisions. Or they may transition into specialized roles in international business development, where their expertise is highly valued and sought after.